Excel will calculate the correlation coefficient of x and y for us. Formulas tab, more functions, statistical functions. We're looking for the correlation coefficient, so look for CORREL. We just need to give the locations of the x and y columns. And there is the correlation coefficient. If you can't see all the digits, you can grab the bar at the top, spread it out. The fact that this number is negative tells us that we have negative correlation, meaning that as the x numbers increase, the y numbers decrease. The fact that the correlation coefficient is close to -1 tells us that there's a strong relationship, high correlation, between x and y. Some of this we could observe in a scatter diagram graph, and Excel will draw this graph for us. Highlight your data, Insert tab. Under the Charts area, look for a scatter graph. And there is the scatter diagram. Notice the downward trend of the points, negative correlation. We can also draw a straight line through the graph. You see that the points of the graph are close to that straight line, meaning that there is high correlation.